Hello, traders. Welcome to this week's Stock Profit of the Week update. We are going to discuss Rivian Automotive Incorporated, #RIVN, stock. Why do we see Rivian Automotive Incorporated, RIVN, stock as the profit of the week? A game-changing week for Rivian, marked by a dramatic 13% stock surge on Monday. The catalyst: Tesla's decision to settle their 2020 trade secrets lawsuit. This isn't just any legal settlement, it's the removal of a dark cloud that's been hanging over Rivian since their early days in the EV race. Tesla's commitment to dismiss the case by December 24 signals a new chapter in Rivian's corporate story. But that's not all. Rivian just secured a massive vote of confidence from Uncle Sam himself. We're talking about a $6.6 billion conditional loan commitment from the Department of Energy's RIVN program. This isn't just about the money. It's about cementing Rivian's position as a key player in America's electric vehicle future. The funds are earmarked for accelerating domestic EV design, development, and manufacturing, a clear signal of the government's bet on Rivian's potential. Now, let's hear what the experts are saying. Truist analysts are taking a measured view. They see this as a positive step forward, particularly alongside the Volkswagen partnership. But here's the interesting part: they're keeping their eyes on the more immediate prize, the R2 startup in Georgia. Why? Because while the DOE loan is great news, Phase 1 isn't expected to start production until 2028. It's a classic case of balancing long-term potential with short-term execution. When we step back and look at the bigger picture, what we're seeing is a company that's systematically removing obstacles and building foundations. The legal resolution with Tesla clears the path ahead, while the government backing provides the fuel for growth. This 1-2 punch of developments isn't just about today's stock price, it's about Rivian's positioning in the increasingly competitive EV landscape. The question now isn't about potential, it's about execution. The market's reaction tells its own story. Investors are clearly buying into Rivian's strengthened position. And it's not hard to see why. With legal uncertainties evaporating and substantial government backing in place, Rivian's path forward looks clearer than it has in years. But remember, in the high-stakes world of EV manufacturing, today's victories are just the foundation for tomorrow's challenges. Now, it's crucial to examine how the technical analysis has informed us. So let's go to the chart now. Let's take a look at Rivian's daily chart, RIVN. The stock is showing a notable reversal of its previous downtrend, with price action recently breaking above the 20-day moving average, red line, near $11.44. Current trading at $12.23 represents a significant technical improvement, particularly given the recent positive fundamental catalysts. Looking at the indicators, RIVN has established a series of higher lows and higher highs since October, suggesting a potential trend reversal. The stochastic oscillator reading at 82.92 indicates overbought conditions, though this can persist in strong uptrends. The 20-day moving average has shifted from resistance to support, confirming improved technical structure. Current support levels are clearly defined at $11.44 and $10.49, which align with recent price action and the moving average. Key resistance levels stand at $13.10 and $13.96, representing previous reaction points and potential profit-taking zones. The recent legal and funding news could act as catalysts for testing these upper barriers. If Rivian maintains its current momentum above the 20-day MA, we could see a push toward the $13.10 resistance. However, traders should be mindful of the overbought conditions and potential consolidation, particularly given the stock's recent sharp rally. As always, make sure to manage your risk effectively before making any trades, especially given the volatile nature of EV stocks in the current market environment. That's all for today. See you in the next analysis video.